Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to adjust subtitle size on HBO Max. I opened HBO Max the other day while watching a show and realized the subtitles were a bit too small for comfort. So I went into the website while logged into my account and clicked my profile icon in the top right corner where all the viewing settings are stored. Then I opened the settings menu and navigated to the subtitle style section. And once inside, I found the text customization controls where you can adjust not just the subtitle size, but also things like font color, opacity, and even the background. And as I changed the size, I could immediately see a preview update at the top, which made it easy to fine tune until it felt readable and comfortable. And after leaving the settings, the changes applied right away during playback, which honestly makes it really convenient because you can fully tailor subtitles to your eyes and viewing setup instead of sticking with the default look. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.